Hi, say your spouse has filed for your permanent resident status in the U.S., but you now want to visit the United States temporarily. Under the U.S. federal regulations, a foreign national traveling to the United States cannot file an application to be a U.S. permanent resident and then turn around and also file for a temporary visa with the intent to only briefly visit the United States. Is there a way around this law? Please stick around to find out. When filing for a spouse to become a permanent resident of the United States at the consulate abroad, can your spouse really travel to visit the United States while the process is pending? This is a tricky question. The reason this question is tricky is that in order to successfully apply for a B1, B2 visitor visa, you must show the U.S. government that you intend to only visit the United States and then return home. However, if an application is also pending for permanent resident status, showing your intention to permanently reside in the U.S., this is conflicting and a reason for denial. To overcome this conflict, the following important steps and tips should be reviewed with your immigration lawyer before you travel. Number 1, wait for the I-130 notice to be receipted and or approved before traveling. Number 2, present a copy of the I-130 approval notice and a copy of your I-130 petition filed by your spouse as evidence that you are traveling, indeed, for a brief visit to the United States to see your spouse. Preferably also have a copy of the National Visa Center notice issued by the Department of State, which shows that you do intend to travel to your designated consulate abroad when it is time to interview and to receive a decision from this post. Make sure to request that your attorney provides you a copy of a Form G-28 and to also present this to the U.S. border agent if questioned. Well, armed with your I-130 approval notice, a copy of your petition filed with immigration, and a copy of your National Visa Center notice, you now have the best chance of explaining any confusion regarding your intentions when entering the United States. This has been your U.S. Immigration Minute. Thank you for listening. We are available at the links provided below for your convenience.